To prepare the PAYG Annual Summary for an entity, just go to the My Business, select the business entity that you want to lodge for. To go to the business profile, select Forms, and PAYG Annual Summary. In this case, you will have two options: manual, to do it manually, that means you data entry the details, and you don't have software. And if you have software and you have the created an MZip file, you can now import the MZip file. In this case, we're going to do it manually. Enter the financial year that you want to prepare the report for. So we're going to do 2015-16 financial year. And you now need to enter the employees' details. Click on Add. Select the PAYG Annual Summary type. In GovReports we have 5 types: the business or personal services income, the ETP, or the individual non-business or voluntary withholding, or the superannuation income stream, or the business superannuation lump sum. We're going to do the voluntary withholding, which is the individual non-business. You now need to enter the employee's tax file number. Because GovReports has inbuilt TFN validation check, if you enter the incorrect tax file number, it would confirm with you that the tax file number is incorrect. This is a testing tax file number, and of course the clients are not real. But if it is in a production account, you would notice that if it's incorrect tax file number, it would let you know that it's an invalid tax file number. Enter the client's name and address, date of birth, and confirm what sort of income that it's coming from. This is, in this case, is salary and wages. And of course, any allowances that has been paid to this employee during this financial year. Then you would need to confirm the financial year as well. Saved. Once you save, you can see that the employee's details is now added to the PAYG Annual Summary. You can add more employees if you want. In this case, it's pretty simple. I'm going to put my name as the person who do the report. Click Next. You can always go back to it and review it, or print it, the payment summaries, or email it to your employees, or edit it, or delete it. But in this case, we're happy with it. We're going to click Next. At this stage, you can save as a draft if you haven't got all the informations together, and the report is not ready for lodgement. Or you can pre-lodge and cross-check the information with the ATO, or you can do both together by clicking the third option, Save, Validate, and options. Or if you do have digital signature and you want to send this off to someone else who has the authority to sign this, then you can do so by clicking the fourth option. Note that digital signature, GovReport digital signature, is optional, and it is not part of the GovReports form that you have. Or if you're ready, you can now click Lodge. You would also have, after it has been processed, you can also tick the box to receive the lodgement receipts in your email. Otherwise, you can always pull it up. Click Submit, Confirm. It's now contacting the SBR and pushing the data through. Once it has been successfully lodged, you can see that the information message is accepted, and the lodgement date, and of course when the timestamp that it hits the ATO database as well.